I'm Neelam Saxena Chandra. To describe oneself is the most difficult task, I suppose. I can say that I'm basically a learner and I'm on this journey of learning. I am officially an engineer and working with Indian Railways. At present, I'm posted as Additional Divisional Railway Manager in Pune Division. You know, when work becomes your passion, you really enjoy it, and I am in love with my job. It's not like like other stories where the person was basically interested in something else and had to do something else. For the person who was forced by the family. I wasn't forced. I love engineering and I'm very happy with my job. And I suppose I do good at it. But I do have a hobby, and that's writing. I've been writing since I was in class 6th, I suppose. That time I used to write poetry. When I was in class 8th or something like that, I sent it to the local newspaper. I was born and brought up in Nagpur, and we had a newspaper called The Hitwada. And I sent some of my poetries for publication, and they liked it and published it, which was a great achievement for me that time, because being published when you are in class 8th or 9th is really amazing. However, I had to take a conscious call to devote myself in studies, for I wished to do engineering. And while doing engineering, my poems remained in my diaries. Then after my daughter was born, I also took to fiction because I started telling her a new story every day. And in 2008, when my daughter was around 10 years old and I had some time for myself, I started jotting down these stories and sending them to various children's magazines such as Champak Chanda, Mama Nandan, etc. And surprisingly, all of them were accepted, which boosted my confidence. And I came up with my children's book. Yes, my first 3 books were children's books. One of them was published by Room to Read, and they published around 50,000 copies of that illustrated book. Later I thought that I want to expand my horizons, and I took to writing more and more of fiction and poetry, and I came up with various books. Now I am proud to tell you that I have 56 books in my name, which includes around 5 novels, 6 short story collections, 31 poetry collections, and 13 books for children, some of which are illustrated and some of which are a collection of stories. The journey has been good. In 2010, there was a contest organized by American Embassy and Arushi, in which we had to write in 25 words on social change, and the contest was judged by nobody else but Gulzar Saab. And I got the second prize. The poem was also rendered by him in his voice and is available on YouTube. You can just search my name and you'll get it. So that was the first milestone. Then various milestones I kept achieving, conquering, whatever you wish to say. One among them was writing lyrics for an album which was composed by Shankar Thakur, and I won Radio City Freedom Award for that. Not I, the song won the award and I was a part of it. It was sung by Shweta Subram. Then I received various awards, like second award for one of my stories by Children Book Trust. Then second award by Poetry Society of India for one of my poems. And I received Premchand Award by Railways twice. I also received an award by Maharashtra Hindi Sahitya Academy. So I kept receiving various awards, and yes, awards make you very happy, but they are also a part of the journey, and they only encourage you to keep writing, and that is what happened with me. I also hold 3 records in Limca Book of Records, one amongst them being for publishing the largest number of books in 1 year in English and Hindi. And my name was also featured by Forbes in the year 2014 as one of the most popular 78 authors of the country. So that is all about me. Since 1 year I hadn't come up with a book, though I used to keep writing on and off, and it had been a hectic life. So one day just a discussion with Seema led me to compile this book, and we all decided to name it as Lines of Faith, First Love and Other Stories. And it is a very interesting book, and I am very happy to be published by AKS Publishing House. The book has been edited by Raksha Nigde, and the book, we kept discussing the book, and all of us formed a team, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy the book, because all those people who have read the book have really enjoyed it. Those people mean my friends and my relatives who have read it, who give honest reviews. They've really enjoyed reading the book, and I'm sure you will also enjoy reading the book. So more about the book in one of my next sessions. Do read my book. Thank you for listening to me.